Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Carrie and this is my new home that I'm in California. And we recently went to get apples from an apple orchard, and so I got a lot of different varieties but decided that I wanted to bake something today. It's been a little bit since I've actually made I baked anything recently, just because it's been so busy with moving and everything. So we're gonna start with a simple apple crisp. I've made this on my channel many times before, but I really like something simple. And what I like about this too is that you can make this now but bake it in the morning, so you can have it for breakfast. So yeah, let's cut some apples. Transitioning to a new place can be difficult, but during the times where I feel anxious or even lonely, I think of something that I could make that would remind me of home. I would always make this dish every fall during Thanksgiving or even for Christmas dinner for my family, and they really enjoyed it. So I thought, since I had an abundance of apples recently, I would make this again. There's something special about smelling and eating warm cinnamon apples with sugar and butter. It just makes life that much sweeter. Also, I used to spend time peeling the skin off of each apple, but honestly, it tastes just as good with the skin on and way less time to make this recipe. I was lucky to have a variety of apples, from green to even red delicious apples. It gave this dish a little more depth of flavor. So for the apples, all we're really adding is lemon and sugar. And that should be great for the apples, and then we're just gonna have to make a crust on top of it. But I got this one. This is a seedless lemon at Trader Joe's. Has anybody tried the seedless lemon? Let me know how you like it or don't like it. One of mine were moldy, so I washed the outside of the other lemons because they were all touching. I was grateful that while I was cutting and prepping my apples, I could see my 10-month-old daughter occupy herself with blocks and toys. I was worried how my kids would transition to a new place, especially for my oldest, who's 3 years old. So far, the transition for my children has been positive. However, there are times when my oldest will talk about her family, toys that we left in Hawaii or gave away, and experiences that she's had before. We often talk on FaceTime to our family and her cousins, and I remind her that we have plans to visit Hawaii soon. Check out my description box for the full recipe, but for this section, I'm really just doing it to taste. I like to add enough sugar to coat the apples, but also still give off a little tartness from the lemon and from the apples. And you can never have enough cinnamon. It just adds magic to the apples. So I actually started this recipe a lot earlier today, but being a mom and watching 2 children all the time, I wasn't able to finish it. So we are gonna finish it together with Ellie because she's not ready to go to bed, and I don't want to wait hours till she goes to bed. Even as a really busy mom, which I'm sure there's a lot busier moms out there than I am, but even if you feel like you don't have any hours in the day, this is something that you can make for your family, and it feels special because it's like, you know, apple crisp. So can you put that into the bowl for Mom? Okay. Hold this.
This one?
Yeah, pour it in. Pour it into the bowl.
Okay.
Good job. We can do catch up with Ellie now. Ellie, how do you like living in California?
Good.
Good. What do you enjoy doing?
My toys.
Enjoy playing with your toys. Yeah.
And my dinosaurs.
And your dinosaur toys. Okay. Have you enjoyed going to Disneyland?
Yeah.
Yes. She keeps on talking about it, and she definitely wants to go back there. soon. Okay, pour this inside the oats.
This one?
Yeah, pour it inside the bowl. Here, let's bring the bowl to you.
I want this.
Hold the handle. Okay. Okay.
It's gonna be very yummy.
It's gonna be very yummy. And we also went to a farm. Ellie got to ride her first pony. You want to tell everybody how you like the pony ride?
I like the pony ride.
Okay. 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, pour this in.
This one?
Lots of sugar, yeah.
Just
Just a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's about a teaspoon.
this.
Salt.
I wanna do that.
No, I'll do this one because it's really just a little bit. We're gonna do 1 stick of unsalted butter.
Oh! Apple
Oh, you want to talk about how we went to the apple orchard?
We went to the apple orchard. Yeah.
What did you like about that?
Ride a pony.
No. What we pick?
I like to go in the maze.
Yeah, there was a maze there. Okay, watch. Mommy's gonna do this part, okay?
Right.
You can watch.
A crumble of oats.
Crumble of oats and butter.
Oh.
So watch how mommy does it. I have to cut through all the butter.
Why?
Why? Because that's how you make it like a crumble. This is
Or
probably not the best bowl for this. Because it's so...
because why do you need this?
We're gonna put the apples in there. Why don't you scoop the apples in there? Now you're gonna scoop it.
Now I wanna do it.
You have to hold the bowl, okay? And then you're gonna scoop it and you're gonna put it in there. Now.
I finished that.
I'll finish this and you scoop it in there, okay?
Okay. Oh, the apple street that best, Mom. Oh, the apple.
Okay, don't touch them all, okay? I think the more that you can kind of like chop up the butter, the better. That looks good.
We're
You
gonna
ready? Want to watch?
one,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm a hand.
Sorry. Mommy got a sweet bear after.
Here the morning.
See you in the morning. I said that this would have been, the apple crisp would have been great for like a breakfast, which is true. But for us, I didn't get to put in the oven till lunch, so it's gonna be a dessert after lunch. Which, you know, when you have kids, that's how things go. It's just nothing ever goes as planned, which is okay, and we have to be okay with that. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how the apple crisp turned out. Ooh. Sorry for the shadows. Excited because these are like fresh apples, fresh from the farm, from orchard. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. Ooh. This is my apple crisp. So every year for Thanksgiving, I like to make apple crisp just because it's simple, it's like seasonal, and yeah, it's fair. It's a great thing to bring. You can eat it with ice cream, or you can eat it like in the morning or in the afternoon, as I'm eating it now. That's very good. Also, just wanted to say thank you for everyone who left messages regarding our last update video. We got a lot of suggestions and places for us to go to, and so I'm gonna like write it down on the list really soon. But we're excited, you know, overall I think we're just excited to be here to experience something different from our life in Hawaii. Everyone's like, why do you move from Hawaii? Like it's, you know, and for people that don't live in Hawaii, I totally get it. But I think if you've lived in Hawaii all your life, it's so important to see other places around just the country and then around the world, because you don't realize how big yet how small the world is when you travel. So anyway, oh, just a second. This one was just about to touch my tripod. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you're gonna make something this fall for just seasonal foods with apples or with other seasonal foods. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.